What's going on? SmartHelping.com here. I got a quick formatting thing that I literally couldn't figure out forever in Google Sheets, and that is how to put text in front of a number on the format. Not just like doing a concatenate or whatever, or doing like a join formula. It's if you, let's say you want these to be represented as periods, and you want it to say period 0, period 1. However, all you want to do is have a number value in the cell. Well, so this is tricky. It was hard to figure out online, but what you would do is highlight the range you want to format, go to number, more formats, custom number format, and look at this. Here it is. And instead of this plus here, we're gonna put period. And oops, we don't need all that other stuff. Hold on. We just need one number. There you go. And oh, hold on. So Google Sheets is real tricky with this stuff. So now I can like these are represented numbers. Like I could do this plus this, and it actually converts this to the same format. But essentially, I added one and two to get three. So the point is, they're recognizing a number of values in case you still wanted to do calculations based on them, but you wanted period to show up in the text. In Excel, this is very easy. You just do, quotations, the text you want, space, and then the number, and it's really easy. But here, you've got to do a hashtag and then your text in quotations and then the number value. Now, my question is, so see for 10, it's doing, let's put two hashtags here because it's doing the one in front of it. Nope, nope, that was not it. See, this is not easy to figure out. Okay, so we just want one here. Now the question is why? Ah, there we go. So we had to put two. Okay, so let's say you have a double digit number here. You're going to have to put two zeros. Otherwise, they're going to put the one in front of the P. But now we've got 00, 01, 02. It still works the same like this plus this is 3 or whatever. And it's still the formulas we're using that require a reference to the number value here is still working. That's great. Um, so there you go. Putting text in front of a number through the format function to retain the number value. Hopefully this video helps a lot of people because I took forever for me to figure this out and it's a lot harder to do here in Google Sheets compared to Excel.